students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. Now students, in previous videos I explained you that how to write an essay. So today I give you one essay. The topic of that essay is cinema, its merits and demerits. Cinema, उसके लाभ और उससे होने वाली हानियां. So students, while essay writing, first you write the introduction of your topic. Now the introduction of your topic is, a film must reflect the basic truths of our daily life. It should be the mirror of our social and moral activities. This is written by Pandit Nehru. Now the cinema has a very important place in modern life. It is the most popular means of entertainment. In every large city, there are several movie theaters and multiplexes. People of all age enjoy watching movies. After hard work of the day, a visit to a movie removes our dullness. So here this is the introduction. Now go to the second point. Its educative value means merit of cinema. The cinema has educative value. It helps in educating people in different branches of learning. There are indeed many educational films. In Western countries, the school students are taught many practical lessons in history, geography, chemistry, botany, and other branches of learning through them. In the same way, art, literature, and religion can also be taught through cinema. It is the best audio-visual aid. Next point is social value. The cinema has high social value. It is a very popular means of recreation. Hence, it affects the society to a great extent. There are many social movies which expose the evils of our society. They can help to uproot the social evils. Now the next point is means of publicity and propaganda. The cinema is also an important means of publicity and propaganda. We are living in the age of science. There is rapid technological advancement in the country. Much of the development work in the country is shown through cinema. So here students, there are 3 points where we get the merits of cinema, जहाँ पर हम cinema के merits बताएंगे. Now go to the next point, demerits. There are several demerits of cinema. All movies are not educative. Many movies are obscene. Regular watching of movies creates an adverse effect of our mind, health, pursuit, and time. It weakens our eyesight. It also adversely affects public morals. Now next is it increases crime. Another demerit of cinema is that it increases crime. People learn from it new methods of committing crime. Such films adversely affect the young and undeveloped minds. So here students, in both the 2 points, we show the demerits of cinema. हर सिक्के के 2 पहलू होते हैं. अगर हमें किसी चीज से कोई लाभ है तो उससे होने वाली हानियों के बारे में भी हमें जानकारी होनी चाहिए. And the last point of your essay is conclusion. The standard of Indian movies is generally low. Modern movies ignore high ideals and corrupt our values. Every effort should be made to improve the quality of movie. Greater attention should be given to enhance their educative value. So students, in this essay you mention first you write the introduction of cinema, what the topic you have to write about that, then their merits, what are the useful effects of that, and then you give the demerits of that topic, and at last you write the conclusion of your essay. So you have to write it in your notebook and learn it.